Hi guys, just finished up the first hour of this open house. 12 between 12 and 2, had 15 families drop by, 3 agent showings for this home we just listed yesterday. So if you guys have any questions, or if you know anybody that might have any thoughts about selling or buying, need more information about what's going on with the COVID bubble, the numbers are just really out there that lower number of homes listed versus just from December, but also the number of showings has gone up more than 70%. And then the list to sell price ratio, I know everybody's looking for a good deal, always looking for that, but these deals are tough to come by. List to sell price ratio versus last year is at 100%, where last year was getting 97% for could be the same exact home. So, hey Dave, appreciate you shooting out a message there. But if you guys have any questions about how the market conditions are going to be, whether if it's the next week, next month, next 3 months, 6 months, a year, I'm here. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to send me a direct message on Facebook, or even if it's on Instagram. I'm here to be of any kind of help, service to you guys. So appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Super Bowl tomorrow. Gonna be filling up pretty good, and spend time with family, not with COVID parties. So just be safe. Also, one note, did this open house. I had a line out here. I felt like I was working at Disney, directing people in and out of the house. Couple people weren't happy because I told them, I said, hey, let me have one family come in. Let's gauge and see how things are moving. Then I'll slowly start having more and more people come in, another family, because again, I don't want to have to be calling 20, 25 people, letting them know that, hey, I'm not feeling well, might have COVID. Now you might have to watch out. So, it's just something you guys got to be careful, especially now. See you guys. Be safe.